I have some blue diluted with some white, maybe some red, so make this beautiful purple color. Iris, 1, 2, 3, 4. Build up your rhythm of this flower. One flower, another flower more on the red side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paint out the freedom in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Not totally opened. Now the stem. Iris, and we need some for the flower center. It's beautiful yellow color. Beautiful.